Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, you do get a tow hitch, backup camera, we do have a black gripped running board with blind spot detection, and moving to the front right here, we do have tow hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior, plenty of door space, bronze on the door, cup holders, 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs with the bronze outlet, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage, floor mats, and carpeted interior. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, as well as the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake lights, auto stop, auto start, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 54.8 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do have My View, trip and view, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage, cup holders, you even get storage underneath. We got that vinyl wrap center console with even more storage underneath. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. Little coin slot. We do get your climate controls, 12-volt, and 2 USB-Cs. Storage above with the F-150 logo. Storage below. Storage right here. We got our hill, and we do get our backup camera by just pressing this with your hazards and traction. Looking here, we do get our audio that has AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone capabilities. Fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA47605, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.